Hello, Jim from TechBuzz. New earbuds in from Haylou again. These are called the GT7 True Wireless, and this is what the box looks like here. So feature wise, on the box it will tell us that we have got, we'll move it in closer there so you can read it, and you can pause there if you want, but we'll read it out. AAC codec, you have got low latency mode, AI calls, AI noise cancellation for calls, Bluetooth 5.2, 20 hours of battery life, and you get 5 hours per charge, and you get 24 hours in total with the case, or 20 hours should I say, and smart touch control. So that's basically it. So let's take them out and have a look. So that's it there. So in the box you're going to get your Type-C cable, your booklet, and your extra tips. So you've got everything there that you need to get you going. So that's all nice and good. So the case itself has got Haylou on it there, and it's a really nice case with a matte finish. You can see that the port is actually on the right hand side on this. You've got a little light there, LED indicator, and we open them up there and you can see that that's the colour there too. They are white and they have got tips on them as well, and they also have an LED light on the earbud themselves. So pretty strong magnets in there, which is good to see. And let's take them out and have a look. So they're a familiar shaped earbuds, as you can tell, like so, and that's pretty much it. And they have really got a real clean design, minimalistic look to them, and a familiar shape, and pretty much a standard kind of design out of the box there. So that's really about it. And then they have left and right marked up on them there as well. And that's really about it. So you can see the connection points there too, and that's all that's visible on these. So nice, clean and minimalistic is the word from the get-go out of the box. So what we'll do is we'll take them off for a spin, let you know how they sound, and come back with a video on all the features, how they work and how to use them after the break. So stay tuned for that, and we'll speak to you then. So we won't be too long giving these a run through and seeing how they sound and so on, what the battery life was like. There's no app here either, so that's pretty much it. They are just connect your device and off you go. So we'll be back with some more after the break. Hello, Jim TechBuzz, and we're back with the Haylou GT7s here, which we've been testing out. And don't forget to check out the W1s which we've recently tested here, which are really quite nice pair of earbuds as well. So that's them, check them out on site. So with these you get a little less features, but the thing is here with these, the sound is actually quite good on them. Again, really nice sound. They've got nice bass out of the box, which is good. So there's no app required for having an EQ setting if that's what you're into. So everybody kind of varies when they're looking for certain features on your earbuds. There is a couple of features missing. You have no auto play and pause, you've got no reverse track and no volume control, so that's what's missing. But when it comes to sound, they're quite good. Really impressed with the sound on these, and they've got nice bass. It's just the right amount of bass, and that depends, everyone likes different levels of bass, but it's a nice comfortable medium range of bass throughout the listening experience. They work great on phone calls. You can use these individually, and phone calls are quite clear as they have got AI built in for cancelling noise, which is good. So you'll be having good clear phone calls on these. You've got around 20 hours of battery life, and we're getting between 18 and 20, and battery life is pretty good. Again, as I said, you can singly use these, so one can be charged and you can use the other one, which is really good. So overall the listening experience, music experience is really good. For gaming as well, you've got a low latency mode which you can activate by double tapping on the left. So overall excellent. So I'm going to pop them into the ears and go through the rest of the features, and we get up our phone like so. So it's a single tap to play and pause like that. So I'll just show you here with this quickly. And that's on any side, so you can see it works really well. Triple tap on the right is activate your voice assistant, which comes up there. And you can double tap on the left to, on the right hand side to skip a track. So you can watch it going down here. And that's basically it when it comes to the features on the earbuds themselves. So pretty nice. You know, you are missing a couple of features, but you're getting really good sound, which is the key factor here, I find. Sound is really, really good. Quite impressed with the sound it was. And overall, really nice. It's a nice clean pair of earbuds with the stem, so to have that kind of AirPods kind of look to them. If you're into that, there you go. But overall, a really good experience. And the thing is as well, the tapping area works well every time. So I've had no problems with that kind of department there. And they work really good. So that's really about it. Really solid pair of earbuds. Quite impressed with them. And you should check them out and check out the other range of earbuds that they have on site. And also, as mentioned, don't forget to check out the W1s here, which are really nice. And they got really, I like this colour too. Kind of similar design, a bit more angular at the bottom, but that's it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Haylou for sending these over. And of course, you didn't pay us for this review and seeing the video at the same time as you and had no input. All your thoughts you see and get from me are from me and nobody else on techbuzzireland.com. Do check them out. We'll leave a link where you can pick them up below, and we'll see you in the next video.